Once upon a time, there was a piece of paper which was turned into a paper ugly duckling. This little creature was made by the sloppy origamist himself, Mr. Jake.
And from what I've heard, he's pretty ugly himself.
And he's not a good assistant teacher, but as a regular teacher, he's amazing. But that's a story for another time.
Tell me more about the paper ugly duckling.
Well, Mr. Jake just kept folding the poor piece of paper until it looked like a duck that doesn't quite look like a duck. Ducks are cute and adorable, but this thing was far from it. I mean, look how he's pressing and folding.
I see what you mean. That poor thing.
So one day, after he had finished folding the paper ugly duckling, it just left the room on its own. It looked ugly, but it didn't let that keep him from exploring the world.
Oh, do you think it will find another paper duck? And maybe fall in love?
Not sure. But that's a positive message, isn't it? There is someone for everyone, no matter how ugly you appear.
So true. But I am interested in watching the rest of this video to see how this poor creature was made.
Okay. Let's watch and learn.
Oh, that looks wonky. Did he do that on purpose?
I don't think so. He is the sloppy origamist after all.
You're right. What is he doing now?
It looks like he's folding paper.
Well, thanks for that. I may have to ask you to shut it.
Sorry.
He's just torturing that piece of paper.
Don't worry, it will be over soon.
Is that supposed to be a duck?
I suppose so.
It looks more like a space invader.
I think he's finished.
Is this the worst origami creation you've seen so far?
Leave a comment and subscribe for even worse origami ideas.